In this video, we are going to continue the creation of the design prototype using Adobe Fireworks, and this is a list of suggestions how you should use this video. The references for this video can be found on this website. It's case sensitive, be careful. And it's already open here. So we are going to continue the creation of our photo frames. So this was what it looks like. Okay, so we are going to create invisible photo frame and then paste a photo inside, create some text, and hopefully it looks like this, and we are going to repeat them. Probably will be in the next video. Okay, so let me switch on the guides again. I'm going to make this bigger so it's easier to work. Okay, maybe 400. Alrighty, so this is the frame. I'm going to create a photo frame and we need to duplicate those. So I'm going to create a photo frame of, okay, this frame is obviously 80 times 80 here, and it's in a bevel with 2 pixels of width. So if I want that to look good, I would need 76 for the photo frame. So I'm going to put 76 times 76. Alright. And the frame should be invisible, so I would have no fill and no stroke. And I'm going to call this photo frame. So now I have frame and the photo frame. And I need to duplicate the photo frame, so I'm going to do edit copy and edit paste. So now I have 2 photo frames because one is going to be used for the photo, one is going to be kept as my template. Okay, and then I'm going to paste a photo inside. So I'm going to use one of them. Okay, I'm going to use this one for that photo. So I'm going to open it. Okay, this is a huge, interesting car pretending to be a tiger. So do edit copy, come over here, make it smaller, probably like maybe 100 first, and then do edit paste. Obviously this guy is way too big, so make it 25%. Okay, and I cannot even see the, okay, 12%. Now you change it to the pointer to, I need to resize. Okay, there's 2 ways of resizing. One way is what we did previously, just click on this, press the shift key. Another way is to use the scale tool here. Press the shift key, change it to 100%. Move it down a little bit. It's too big. It's still too big. You want it to be here. And press your shift key when you resize. Okay. You need to press shift key. If you do not press shift key, the image will be distorted. Okay, so you need to keep the proportion of the image. Alrighty. Let me see what it looks like now. Still too big, so make it. Press the shift key. Move it up. Okay, maybe it's good now. So let me do it. Change back to the pointer tool. Do an edit cut. Select your photo frame. Do an edit paste inside. Okay, so you have something like a button. Save your work. And we are going to create. Let me make this 400% again. we're going to create text on top of it, but text will look really bad if you don't have some kind of a kind of a shadow at the background. So I'm going to create another rectangle. I'm going to draw something here. I'm going to create a rectangle that is 76 times 18, and 76 times 18. Oh, sorry, because I kept the constraint proportion, so I have to uncheck that. So I can do 76 times 18. And let me see how it looks like now. Okay. So this is 76 times 18, no stroke. And obviously it's a little bit too high, so I'm going to shift it down 1 pixel. Okay, now it's good. And I need a fill. I'm going to create a fill of this kind of color here. No, it looks good. Okay, but that is too heavy, so I need something like a background transparency. So I'm going to use a linear fill. I'm going to create a background transparency, a fading kind of effect. So I'm going to create a gradient fill. Okay, from the bottom this way to this way is okay. All right, and bottom would be color would be same color, 3. That's fine. This is not white. We're going to use 3 again. Okay. Here I'm going to change the opacity to 80%. And here we're going to change the opacity to, let's say, 30%. So it's like kind of blending kind of feeling. If you wanted to blend further, you can even shift this a little bit. Okay, that looks good. Save your work. And we are going to type some text to describe this button. And we know our site structure really well, so this image is going to be called adult. So let's type some text. Right aligned. Color will be let's use these. So I will type ADULT, and I can shift this to okay, it's a little bit too low, so I can adjust 2 pixels up. I'm sorry, 2 pixels left. It's a little bit to the right. A little bit low, so 1 pixel. Okay, looks good. Save your work. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, we have created 1 button. Okay. All right, we only have 6 more to go. We're almost done. Okay, save your work. That's the end of this video. We'll continue from the rest of the video. We'll continue to create the other 6 buttons in the next video.